Oh, g'day guys. Today we're in Cockburn Sound and I'm going to show you how to have a bit of fun catching a herring on small metal lures. This is great fun for the kids, even yourself. What you want to get yourself is a nice little light combo. This is the Daiwa Exceller 2500 spun with 8-pound braid and a Daiwa Laguna 702 LXS, which is the light model, rated 1 to 4 kilos. This is a little 10 gram, or 12 gram, sorry. Little Gamoku Slim Jig, I think it is. Little treble on the back. And the idea is find some nice sort of shallow water in about 2.5 meters here, bit of broken seaweed, same sort of area you'd catch squid in, and then just pepper casts all around. There's always good schools of herring in amongst the seaweed and the sand in here, and they love chasing little flashy metals, and it's great fun, so we'll get into it. Band of ocean cyclists going past us. Too busy staring at all the jet skis. Like 30 of them. Try that again. So the idea is just a nice quick constant retrieve. You can give the rod tip a little flick and a jerk just to sort of increase the action of the lure. And the herring, you'll see him come up and chase the lure. It's great fun. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, and he threw the lure. That's the only issue with the metals, because they're so heavy. The herring are great at jumping and throwing lures, but it's good fun. And where there's one, there's normally plenty more. Best thing about this is you're not using dirty old bait, which means you're not going to catch butterfish, trumpeters, and all the other monster species that inhabit the same area. Oh, I've got one chasing it. Oh, it works the boat. Decent sized herring too, so which is good. Good for a feed. Oh, I can school them. Oh, come on. Just gonna jig it next to the boat. There's school them under the boat. No, that's school them. Yep. Doesn't take long for those buggers to show up. You doing your shot? Huh? Bet you're intrigued, doesn't it?
Very intrigued.
Having too much fun on this side of the boat.
Yeah,
no squid on that side?
Yeah.
Yeah, see if I'm on the hook?
Yeah.
There we go, on. At the bottom. Oh. That's why it's a good idea to wear glasses. It's lucky I caught it in my hand. You have a shot? I'll sort that jig out. So just cast it as far as you can and then just reach right down. There you go. Is that? No, that's the one that's straight away. Go again. That's it. Now wind flat out. Keep going. Takes a few casts. Oh, see him?
Jumped out.
He chased it. He was after it. Quick, have it on the cast, and then we'll have to start the motor and move a bit. This wind's picked up and it's pushing us into this rock wall pretty quick. On the next one, I'll throw the drift anchor out and slow us down. It's real fun, visual, exciting fishing. Great fun for the kids, and when the squid turn off a bit, it's a bit fills in the boredom. Oh, you got one. You're on. You're on. Get him in, quick, before he throws off. There we go. Oh, and he's off. Look at that. Lovely little herring. You got him? Pick him up. Quick. Come on, it's not that slippery.
Yes, he is.
Come here, bud. There we go. Lovely little herring. We'll let him go. See you, bud. Good fun, eh? Alright, we'll move, just because we're a bit close to that rock wall. And then we'll pick up where we left off. Nikki got bored of squidding. She's caught the most and the biggest. But after seeing all the excitement I was having catching herring, she's taken my rod off me and taken over.
What's a good size herring?
About 25 centimetres is a good size herring. Really good size herring. That's probably a really big one actually. They're not a massive fish. They're just great fun to catch. They're good bait, really good bait. And you're allowed 12 per person now. Used to be allowed 30. They changed it a few years ago to help the stocks replenish, and it has worked. 12 herring per person is more than enough for a good feed. And they're pretty much available all year round. You very rarely can't catch herring. On! Didn't even see him take that one. Is he going to jump or is he going to stay deep? Staying deep. Oh, he's pulling a bit of line. He's fighting now. Now he's woken up. Oh, hang on. Pull him wide, pull him wide. Drag's a bit loose, babe. That's a good herring. That's a really good one. There you go. That's the perfect example of a big herring. Oh, that one's actually almost worth keeping for a couple of fillets. Gorgeous, eh? Beautiful herring. Good fun, aren't they? Hey, let him go.
I was going to say.
You want to try some fillets of herring?
No, like cook them whole.
Cook them whole?
For such a small fish, I haven't done it before.
Okay, we can give that a shot. Alright, buddy. Woman's spoken. You're coming home for a feed. And hold that a second, I'll kill him.
Is he a good size?
He's a very good size. So herring don't actually have a size limit. You're just allowed 12 per person. And that's actually a really good size one. So in order to put him out of his misery, we'll spike his brain. And then we'll bleed him. So you just want to find the little spot. The soft spot behind the eye. Enter. Spike the brain. And then you just slit their throat. Nope. That just helps get all the blood out. In the bucket. Nice, well done. Alright.
Again?
Yeah, get a few more if you want to keep a couple for a feed. We'll have some squid and fish for dinner. That's actually a really big herring. No, they'll a lot of the times they'll swim with you. And they'll come right up to the boat and then they'll go hard next to the boat, start jumping, and that one stayed deep the whole time, which was good. Oh, on next to the boat. There we go. Look at that. Hey, look at you go. All right, let a bit of line out. Get him over the side of the boat, otherwise if he falls off, he's in the drink. There we go. Perfect. Alright, give me that. He wasn't getting off anytime soon.
What's wrong with it?
Well, he just copped all 3 hooks in the mouth, unfortunately for him. So, I don't see him getting off anytime soon. Alright, one for the one. spike him. Perfect. Alright, keep going.
3 for 3.
Yep, you go 3 for 3, you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, big call. There was quite a few that followed him up then, I was watching them. It's a good thing about herring, once you get them excited, they'll actively feed near the boat and hunt. So it makes it easier. If you got 2 of you fishing with lures, the best thing to do is, as one's fighting one, the other person casts in behind it and catches one off it. Then that person lands there, so you just repeat and repeat and repeat. Oh, they're on it, they're on it. Oh, quick cast again, go again. You're on, I can see him. You on?
Yep.
You're onto a fish. He's just not fighting. There he goes. That's a better one. Oh, he's jumping.
Oh!
Oh, he's gonna still go. Jumping again. Oh, up he comes. That's a better one again. Look at that. Hey, look at you go. Give me that again. Sort this bugger out.
Go for one more, hey? 4? 4 squish.
4
squish.
4 squish. 4 squid, 4 fish. Perfect. Alright. Go again. Hey, look at you go.
What's the type of fishing I like?
Where it's fun, quick.
Sit and wait all day.
Yeah, you get bored easy.
I get bored.
But it is good fun catching big fish. But this is great fun. It's great family fun. You bring anyone out here. It's easy. It's exciting. It's visual. You're not having to mess around with bait. You just cast and retrieve. The other thing you can do is you can troll for herring. Another great way of doing it. A couple of rods out the back and just cruise around at about 4 knots. Catch them that way as well. Right. So as we move out towards back over the ground where I believe the herring are sitting in bigger schools, I'm just going to truck the lure out the back of the boat. About 30 metres or so. And we'll just troll it slowly. See if we can't pick up one that way. There is a little bit of floating weed around, so it can be a bit of a pain, but let's see how we go. You wanna hold it? Oh, you're on? Yep, you're on at the back. Tighten the drag a little bit. Hear it screaming. That's it.
Is it still there?
Yeah, he's still there. He's just swimming with you. You can see him there.
Oh, yeah.
I think you've jagged him. Oh no.
Oh, you bastard.
Oh, they're good fun, aren't they? This'll do. Just start casting and retrieving again.
Yep.
You on?
Yep.
That was quick. Hey? Ah! This is funny. Just got the squid jig trailing behind the boat while Nikki casts for herring. Might be able to pick up a cheeky squid.
You want a shot?
Hey?
You want a shot?
Yeah, I'll have a quick shot. be the camera guy.
Be the camera guy.
There we go. Oh, hey, he's jumping. Ah, lost him. Oh, his mate's on it, we're trying to eat it. Yep, on another one.
Come on. All we need is one more. Not bad size.
Yeah, he's alright. Not as big as your one.
Yay!
Lucky number 4. Look at that.
Our fourth squish.